Welcome or welcome back to I Got It Out the Soil. And today I'm going to be doing a little cleanup for my containers and in my in-ground garden. I'm going to get some of my in-ground garden along the deck soil prepared for my fall crops. And first, before I do that, do the cleanup and everything and get my in-ground garden ready for my fall crops, as well as some of my containers ready for my fall crops. I did want to do a Home Depot haul. I believe last video I did come with me to shop at Home Depot and I got some gardening products and I wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to show y'all what I got at the Home Depot. So one of the products I got is this big thing of worm castings, organic earthworm casting plant food, and this is the 12-pound bag. I was ordering the 6-pound bag, but this one was a better deal. I think it was like $14 and something, and the other 6-pound bag was $9 and something. So for every 2 of those, I was paying like $19, $20. But for this one, I paid $15 to $16 for a 12-pound bag. So that's a few dollars off. Another thing that I got was some fish fertilizer. I got the Alaskan kind, and this is the 511. It is Omni listed. It has the Omni listed logo right here. So it is organic fish fertilizer. It didn't have the other one that I think it was Montreal. Is it Montreal? I'm not sure. I'll have to actually go in and see. Fish fertilizer. They didn't have that anymore at Home Depot, so I opted for this one. And I think that fish fertilizer was 2, 2, and 2, and this one 5, 1, and 1. So hopefully this do good as well as the other fish fertilizer I had. And I'm gonna pick y'all up and take y'all over to, because I'm not carrying these big jumbo bags of soil over here. So let me get y'all closer. Over here, I got the red premium wood chips, or they call it wood mulch. I just want to come in. This is I Got It Out the Soil, because I forgot to tell y'all the prices of some of these products. I be going so fast in these videos, it be slipping my mind. So let me do that now. For the red wood chips, or red premium wood mulch, those was priced at $3.97. For the Alaskan fish fertilizer, that is priced at $14.47. You get 32 ounces, so that's 1 quart. For the Kellogg's potting mix for the containers, that is priced at $9.97. And for the Kellogg's garden soil, that was priced at $8.97, so it was $1 less. I would have these products down below in the description bar. I will have the links, so if you guys was interested in purchasing some of these products that I have in the video, I will have the links down below. So I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys the prices of these products. Back to the video. Got about 3 bags of these. They cover 2 cubic feet. I have potting mix for my containers, because I do have to replenish the soil in my containers, and I'll show you how the wind and the rain took out some of my half of my marigolds. I'm gonna show y'all that here in a second. And it wouldn't be I Got It Out of the Soil if it was a noise. Okay, so we are outside, so just be expecting the noise. And of course my AC stay on. Okay, it is by 80 something degrees. It feels really, really good because the wind is blowing out here, so it's not too hot like it usually is. So I decided to come out and do this video. But anywho, this is a haul, so let's get back to that. This is the Kellogg's potting mix, organic plus. I do believe this one has the Omni listed. Yes, right here. Omni listed, certified organic logo as well. So I got this for my container garden, this blue and yellow bag here. Then I got another Kellogg's garden soil, Omni listed, certified organic, and that's 2 cubic feet as well. And I got that for some of the in-ground garden soil, just a little topsoil to put on top of the garden, kind of mix in with my native soil, kind of break up that native clay soil that I have. And if y'all watch the beginning of my garden, I have a video on what my native soil look like. So I got the garden soil to kind of top my in-ground garden along my deck that I'm going to do. Maybe I should show bloopers. Hey man, maybe I should show the bloopers. Will that be? Yeah. Will y'all like to see some bloopers? Cause it's not really a blooper; it's just the noise. I really do got to give me a mic because the outside noise be killing the vibe, honey. But once I get the right mic for my phone, we'll be on and rocking. But back to this garden soil. Back to what I was saying. The reason why I got this garden soil is to put as a top coat, also mix in with my native soil. It do got some good organic matter in this soil, so it is made for vegetables and flowers and different things of that nature. It's just a good soil. So I'm gonna use that for the in-ground garden along my deck, and I'm gonna use this for my containers just to replenish the container soil. But let me show you what the heavy rain and wind did to my marigolds. It actually snapped them. So I was thinking, contemplating, should I buy new containers or should I just pull out the marigolds and just use the existing containers that I have. They done snap my damn excuse my language, but we grown. So they done snap my marigolds in hell. So I'm gonna yank them out. So I'm not yanking any of them out of this container here, but I'm going to yank it out of these. This one has nothing in it, so this container being empty, I just got to move these cups. My seedlings didn't pop out on here. I guess they wasn't good seeds. And this was a Swiss chard, and it wasn't good at all. Look at that. That's all I got from that. You know what? I think that might be the eggplant. This may be the Swiss chard here. But yeah, it's not doing very well. So I'm just going to remove these. This is already empty, so it's ready. I just got to replenish the soil. Look how low the soil got. And I'm going to pull this big bundle of marigold. Pull it. I have a whole bunch of marigolds. They're very easy. Now I know how easy they are to grow. I don't mind pulling these. But it's still going to be some beautiful ones in the back. So I'll just pull these because they snap. They're going to die. Anyway, look at that. It broke. The wind broke them. So yeah, I'm just going to pull these and use this for my, I want to say my cabbage, because I want to see how my cabbage will grow in these containers. So I may do that. We'll see. But they just damaged my marigolds, broke my poor babies. I love these little marigolds. They hanging in there though. It's still so beautiful. But maybe I'm gonna pull them out, pick the good ones, and make a bouquet flower for myself. So that's what I was planning on anyway for the marigolds. I want to always have flowers in my house, so I'll just use it for that. So they won't go to waste. But I'm gonna clear this out, but I did want to do this haul really quickly. So yeah, I guess I'll finish moving these, and I'll just plant some more cabbages or something in these containers, just so I can have, ongoing fall crops. So let me get back in the sun. That's it for my Home Depot haul. That's everything I got. I don't believe Oh, one thing I ordered online because they didn't have it in store that I'm getting shipped is my fruit and vegetable fertilizer that I'm going to get. I still have some left from the old bag, but I did want to replenish my stock because I like to stock up before I run out. So I always have something in stock. So because I already had ran out of the red wood mulch or chips, wood chips. So I didn't want to do that again. So I stocked up on it. And before I get low again, I'm going to stock up again. But anywho, that's it for this Home Depot haul. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. It is free. Turn on that notification bell so you will know every time I drop. I hope you guys are really enjoying my video. And remember to always get it out the soil no matter what. Because what seed you plant today in water, it will mature and grow. Good or bad, even if you believe in it or not. And this is what I'm talking about in life. So remember to always get it out the soil because it's going to grow anyway. Okay. I think that's it for this video. And until next time, peace. I'll see you in my next video.